Hi, welcome to Pachi's delicious spicy coleslaw. It is Pachi's recipe that is perfect so you can go and have all the pizza and burgers you want if you eat it before you leave. It is super easy to make. All you need is some shredded cabbage, a couple of limes of which we use the peel and the juice, some honey, and some pickled ginger. Last but not least, delicious dark sesame oil. We mix all of these ingredients and voila, it's a coleslaw that not only tastes delicious, but is also going to help you stay fit every time you eat pizza, burgers, sushi, and anything that has processed carbs in it. Enjoy a delicious coleslaw with all kinds of antioxidants. Remember, with Chef Delicious Diet, sustainable diets. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.